Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today's episode is episode I don't even remember for the Barn Find series, where off camera I've been collecting and building, repairing, whatever you want to call it, all the barn finds. Then I just show you the barn finds here on the videos. But this episode, it is the 8th barn find. It's one of the Mustangs. I've got more of a cruising, like, road trip type of build on it. Got the street tires. I do have the drag like set up with the thinner ones in the front, thicker ones in the back. Yeah, hold on, I gotta do something quickly. I don't recommend roasting your marshmallows with the flames though. We've got the spoiler. Yeah. I didn't really do much cosmetics-wise. If I wanted to, I could almost pop a wheelie. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what this thing is capable of. And after the drag, the launch, I should say, it's not a drag race. I don't have another person to race. Alright. Completely redline it, floor it, 41 first, 89 second, 137 third, 136, or I think, I don't remember. I completely forgot once I saw that glitch. I'm going to do it again though. 41 first, 88 in second, 137 third, 165 in third, or third, fourth. I gotta really concentrate on the video. But I wanna try something quickly. Wait a minute, can I? Doing a burnout, yay. Oh nope. I cannot shift to second while doing a burnout. That is for sure. I am doing a burnout though. That is pretty cool. And I am squatted. No, nope, I should not make that comment. I am majorly squatted though, in a Mustang. Like I did in my last video, I gotta see if it can push my Duramax. Oh, it is trying to drift on me. Yes, it can push my Duramax. a lot farther so far than in my last video. Okay, got it lined up. And here we go. It should not be able to push this thing this fast. Oh, that completely just broke the game. Land it, no. Oh, did a backflip. Sorry. And woo, 360. Nope, 270. And here we go. Alright. Yeah. Forgot or didn't realize I wasn't talking there for a sec. Sorry about that. Let me know down in the comment section below if you would like a video on how I built this or what I did to build it. Please consider liking the video, possibly subscribing. It'll help me make more videos like this and possibly make better videos. Yeah. I will see you next episode, whenever that may be.